Hi folks, and welcome to thecreditjungle.com. This is George Andersen.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
And this is going to be a little bit different video than what I normally have put together. I normally am talking about topics. We're representing mortgage guidelines and things investing real estate and everything else that would be for the customer. And this is just kind of a personal update on some things that have happened within the last couple of months that I think ultimately is a good thing, not just for me, but also for you guys as well. So if you don't mind, let me just share. Back behind the scenes, I started in the mortgage business in 1989, and then in the summer of 1991, Sue Pierce and I began working together at Republic Mortgage in the same office. And we worked together in the same company for about 7 years until 1998. And then from 1998, just up until recently, we have run a company together. And we've had different office locations. We've been big, we've been small. And basically what's happened in the last little bit is that Sue felt like, she just didn't feel like running an office and having a team and the other things that are involved with maintaining a principal lending manager's license, which we both have. And so she has gone into kind of semi-retirement. And I decided at the same time, I'm like, well, we've been in this office here in Sandy for 14 years now, and maybe we don't need to have the office. So I've terminated my relationship with American Pacific Mortgage, and they were wonderful to work with. We ran what's called a P&L, a profit and loss branch with them, and had a lot of great years with them, and I have no complaints or anything else. But there was an opportunity for me to just operate now with no payroll, no team, no management responsibilities or anything else with a company called Barrett Financial. So that is where my license moved to just recently within the last couple of days. And actually, I think the good part about that is because I literally have no overhead and I have no payroll employees. I still have 1099 contract processing obligations, but that is only per file. There's no salaries and everything else. So it actually makes me a little bit leaner and meaner when it comes to competing to give you the very best terms on your loan, because as of the end of this month, there's no overhead and there's no payroll. But it has been a great ride. Sue has been in the business a few years longer than me. She's a few years older than me. And apparently she's done a little bit better job on planning for her retirement. So I'm planning to continue to grind it out. The thing that has kept me in the business and that I really enjoy doing is helping people understand the value of home ownership, how to obtain that in the most efficient way possible. And then really the icing on the cake for me is finding those people who have talked to another lender and have been told, you can't do this because. And sometimes the answer is not always, well, yes, you can do it. But what I think that I've done a very good job at is explaining, okay, here's why you can't, but here's how you fix it, and here's how long it's going to take. And honestly, those are the most rewarding transactions for me, when somebody feels like they've kind of been kicked in the ditch, but they have a real estate agent who knows me and they say, hey, don't give up until you talk to George. If George can't figure it out, then we've probably run out of options. And it's just really nice to be able to put a few transactions together like that. And it seems like I get probably on average at least one of those per month. So anyway, I am here, but I'm not going to be here. But I'll still be able to meet with people. I have different office locations where I can share and set up a meeting with anybody who would like to meet with me. But the whole idea now for the however long I've got in the career left is just going to be a lean, mean, originating machine with no responsibilities beyond just keeping my license active and offering the best possible service. So thank you for many years of support and opportunities to be able to help you find home ownership. And I hope to talk to you soon. Push button, get mortgage professional. This is George Andersen at thecreditjungle.com. Thanks much and have a wonderful day.